Gigi Hadid Hidden Beauty Secrets and DIY Skincare Steps, Simple and Natural. Cleanser, use raw honey or milk to wash your face. Toner, apply rose water or chilled green tea with cotton. Moisturizer, aloe vera gel or coconut oil for hydration. Exfoliator, 2x/week, sugar plus honey scrub to remove dead skin. Face mask, 1-2x/week, Multani Midi plus rose water for oily skin or banana plus honey for dry skin. Steam, 1x/week, boil water with mint or tea, steam face for 5 minutes. Face massage, 2-3x/week, use almond or olive oil to improve blood flow. Spot treatment, dab tea tree oil or turmeric plus honey on pimples. Lip care, exfoliate with sugar plus honey, moisturize with ghee. Under eye care, use cold green tea bags or cucumber slices. Sunscreen, natural mix, shea butter plus coconut oil plus zinc oxide, mild use. Hydration, drink lemon cucumber water for glowing skin. Night serum, aloe vera plus vitamin E oil before bed. Neck and hands care, apply leftover scrub or mask here too. Weekly detox, steam plus clay mask plus light oil massage.